Okay, and here's another one with a different indicator this time. I know you're like, don't mind me.
Do not take those filling stations for granted.
Yeah, we have a few around campus too. So, my campus anyway.
There's one in the library, like those things are usually really good, but there's one in the library that like puts out hot water. You gotta make sure not to use that one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this one's also Montgomery.
Oh, it just leveled a little bit. I missed that.
Yeah, it did. I do wonder, I bet that's the indicator they use for the Monty. There's a possibility that like the Monty one broke knowing those things.
Yeah. I know like Denver airports replace a ton of them.
Yeah, I know of several that are just straight up burned out also. Going down?
Oh.
Going down?
Down.
Oh, yeah. One.
So we can go ahead and enter too.